Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to explore 10 websites where you can do freelance jobs and what kind of jobs each website offers. As we all know, freelancing has become increasingly popular in recent years, and these websites help connect freelancers with clients who need their skills and expertise. So, whether you are a writer, designer, developer, or any type of freelancer, these 10 websites are great places to start your search for freelance jobs. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms out there, offering a variety of freelance jobs, such as web development, mobile development, writing, and graphic design. You can find both short-term and long-term projects on Upwork, and you can work with clients from all around the world. Upwork takes a portion of your earnings, but it's a great platform to start building your freelance career. 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance service marketplace where freelancers can sell their skills and services starting at $5. It's an excellent platform for graphic designers, writers, programmers, video editors, and other freelancers to showcase their skills and build a client base. Fiverr earns a commission on each transaction, but it's an affordable and straightforward way to start freelancing. 3. Freelancer. Freelancer is an Australian freelancing platform that connects employers with freelancers in many different fields. It offers a straightforward bidding process, and clients can choose from a pool of qualified freelancers based on their skills, rates, and experience. Freelancer is a great website if you want to work on a wide range of projects, from data entry to web development. 4. TopTal. TopTal is a freelance network that specializes in connecting top-tier freelancers with high-quality clients. If you have excellent skills and experience in fields such as development or design, TopTal is a platform for you. To become a freelancer on TopTal, you must go through a rigorous screening process that includes a skills assessment, portfolio review, and interviews. 5. Guru. Guru is a comprehensive freelancing platform that allows freelancers to showcase their portfolios, collaborate with clients, and get paid securely. Guru offers a vast range of job categories, such as writing, design, programming, and engineering. Guru has a flexible payment system, and they don't charge freelancers any transaction fees. 6. 99 Designs. 99 Designs is the perfect website for freelance designers who specialize in graphic design or branding. It caters to businesses and individuals who need high-quality designs for their brands or products. 99 Designs puts your designs in front of a global community of businesses and individuals, giving you the chance to showcase your skills and grow your portfolio. 7. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK-based freelancing platform that serves both freelancers and businesses. It offers a wide range of job categories, such as writing, design, programming, and marketing. People Per Hour allows freelancers to work on both short-term and long-term projects and offers competitive rates. 8. Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a popular job search engine that also offers freelance jobs. Freelancers can search for jobs based on their skills and location, making it easier to find local opportunities. Simply Hired has dozens of categories, including accounting, writing, design, web development, and administration. 9. Tugit. Tugit is a great web platform for Indian freelancers and clients. It's a growing platform with over 500 job categories and freelancers from around the world. Tugit offers a bidding system, and once a client hires you, payments are secured through its escrow system. 10. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a unique freelancing platform that connects freelancers with local clients who need help with household chores and tasks. These tasks could be anything from furniture assembly to cleaning to personal assistant work. TaskRabbit takes a portion of your earnings, and the platform is best suited for freelancers who enjoy flexibility and variety in their work. And there you have it. 10 fantastic freelancing websites for all your freelancing needs. Whether you're a designer, developer, writer, or marketer, these websites offer a myriad of opportunities to work with reputable clients and earn money doing what you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.